Today I'm working on a 671 in a Silver Sides bus, and the engine's really tight. It doesn't smoke on startup, fires instantly, sounds great, but it's got low oil pressure. It's been running about 20-ish?
20, 25.
You've owned the bus how many years?
23.
And it's been pretty close to that
the whole time.
These are the main bearings here. Very worn, pitted looking. And then that's the rod bearing. Same thing. So we're just going to replace bearings on it right now. The crank it's in very good shape. It doesn't look anything at all like what these look like. So we're just going to try it, put the new bearings in there, see if we can get the oil pressure up on it. It doesn't need a rebuild right now, but hopefully this will solve that problem, or band-aid it at least. Probably get another 100,000 miles out of it before it needs to be rebuilt. But, let's see, that was pretty good there. This thrust washer has some wear on it too. Hang on.
Hold the clutch in too much.
Yeah, if you hold the clutch in at a stoplight too long, it puts all the pressure over on these. But they're worn, but they're not as bad as I've seen some where they don't even have that little groove on them anymore. So we'll replace all this bottom end stuff while we're down here.